Gaming tech, eating brekkie is the gaming tech. Going for a brekkie is the gaming tech. Gaming techie is the gaming tech. Gaming techie.
Alright guys, so here is 7501. Just wanted to give you guys a quick room tour of where we stayed on the Disney Wish. So this is our entrance. This is a corner room. So the bed is angled this way, as you see as soon as you walk in. So let's go ahead and start off here on the left. We got the couch here. Right here on the left, we got a nice frame there with Cinderella right there above it. Then we got the bed here. You see it says Wish right here on the front. Nice little comforter set. You got a curtain here if you want to like divide the room up, because this does pull out and has like a sofa bed underneath here. So if you want to pull it out for 4 people, you could. You can see right here, we got the little brown area for storage. We got USB ports, which is great, so we can charge. We got little lights here and a lamp here. Nice little background, as you guys can see there. Looks great. Like the artwork. Same thing on the other side with 2 USB ports as well. The other kind of plug over there as well. And you got the lamp and then a TV sitting right here as well. Little garbage can, little animal sitting right here. We got a mirror here, as you can see, with a nice little light around it, so you can use that. Bunch of drawer space here, as you can see. Got some closet space here if I move this out of the way. Closet space here with some robes and stuff, a little safe. Our life jackets, of course, so a bunch of storage there. And then if we open this door right here, this is the bathroom, of course. Here's the shower. The shower looks really nice, of course, everything being brand new. This looks really nice in here. Water pressure is actually pretty decent for a cruise. At least the cruises I've been on, the water pressure has been pretty decent. Got the nice Mickey towels here. Of course, the toilet there. We got a sink there, garbage underneath there. Some little storage area for stuff there. This is sitting right here, and some towels, and another mirror again with the light over here as well. And we do have a plug over here as well if you need to plug something in the bathroom, which is great. And yeah. That is kind of like the whole quick room tour here that we have for the room. It is a corner room, so, you know, that's kind of what's expected. You can see the carpet there. That's the kind of carpet that's being used in all the rooms. So I think it's a pretty decent room for a cruise again. Definitely has a little Disney touch with the background there of the wallpaper there and here. But other than that, and then the two artworks on the wall. And of course the Wish being right there, right in front of the bed. So those are kind of like the Disney touches in the rooms. But that should be it for this video. Showing you a quick room tour of 7501 if you guys stay here. So thank you guys for watching.